Hello, my name is Megan Behrens, and this is my Session 5 final case study presentation in my Marketing Research and Analytics class at Colorado Christian University. My presentation today is on Agape Coffee Company. Thank you for taking time out of your busy day to hear what I have to say. Please interrupt me at any time to ask any questions you may have. The definition of agape is a communal meal in token of Christian fellowship as held by early Christians in commemoration of the Last Supper. Agape itself is a word meaning a gathering of people. People will certainly gather at Agape Coffee Company if we keep things interesting and exciting for them and always keep them as the main focus. Our customers are certainly our number one priority. We want to stay on top of marketing trends. We want to have a competitive edge, improved business forecasts, spending efficiency. We want to be innovative, and most of all, we certainly want to have happy customers. Coffee seems to be a constant preference in people's everyday lives, but plain coffee isn't what we want to promote. We want to stay on trend with what other coffee companies are promoting, then try to top it. We need to prepare multiple new flavors in case one isn't as popular as we originally hoped. We need to decrease spending by reinventing recipes we already have by adding a little flair. And we need to listen to what our customers are saying. If they want pumpkin spice all year, let's do it. There are no rules when you're trying to be the best of the best. In 2018, 64% of people in the U.S. drank coffee. That is from Sherman in 2018 on a survey that was produced. When over half the people in the United States drink coffee, it is in your best interest to listen to their preferences and give them what they want. What we need to do is promote cold brew. Cold brew coffee is refreshing, flavorful, strong, and very popular. Right now, cold brew is a personal favorite. My favorite flavors so far are salted caramel, pumpkin cream, Irish cream, and sweet cream. I had cold brew for the very first time last year, and even in a snowstorm the other day, I went through the local coffee shop drive-thru and ordered a cold brew coffee. It seems more refreshing to me even on a cold winter day. The facts. Cold brew is made chilled. It's never heated, even in the process of making it. There's a higher coffee to water ratio. It actually contains less caffeine than you would imagine than normal coffee, and it gives a stronger, sweeter flavor. Sarah 2020 stated, though stronger than drip coffee, cold brew actually contains less caffeine. The oils and sugars are extracted during the steeping process, and this creates a stronger flavor than traditional coffee methods. I think cold brew is the way to go, especially when we are trying to be on top. These are the social media platforms we need to target: Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Anytime anyone mentions Agape Coffee Company on any of these sites, we need to make sure we're listening. We need to promote our brand everywhere we can on social media. Hashtags, mentions, reviews, surveys. We need to put coupons on the websites. We need to do everything we can. The more mentions we have on these platforms, the more customers we'll bring into our store. I also want to promote our new website. We now have agapecoffeecompany.com. In this website, we have easy navigation, quick find buttons, online ordering, coffee rewards, and even merch. We have our own merchandise for Agape Coffee Company, and it is the best. It's top of the line. Our website's goal was to be attractive. We wanted people to come to our website and see bright colors and something more appealing to the eye. In these two pictures, there's a comparison. It's practically the same photo. I did the best I could to compare. But this first photo is black and white, kind of dreary, a little sad, beautiful, of course. but the photo on the right is the one that is more colorful. It really brings your eye to the website, the web page, and it really wants to encourage you to look around. Create the imagery people want to see. A bright, colorful page may be more appealing to online visitors than just simply black and white. So our website is geared towards that colorful stuff to encourage people to click beyond just the first page. So drawing attention to our website, we want to encourage the use of hashtags, photos for attention, regular posting, seasonal changes, new flavor announcements, and real customer testimonials. So these are some ideas on how to attract people to our site and not want to leave right away. Cost per click. It's a great marketing tool to drive visitors to your website. Although the visits aren't happening naturally, it will likely lead to a committed customer in the end. So for cost per click, the advertisers pay the publisher. So every time someone clicks on your site, you're getting paid for it. So you get paid to get clicks on your site. So Jeffrey 2010 states, the person doing the search is the most important and advertisers pay just to be seen by the searcher. Return on ad. It's a lot like return on investment, and it's the exact revenue on advertising. We can give an exact dollar amount of money spent and earned on advertisement. It's a great tool for gathering the data needed to see how much money has been brought to the site on just advertising alone. So it's easy to see how many people were here related to if they saw advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, what ad they're referencing. If they're clicking through the ad, they immediately know that it was from whichever search engine they used. Bounce rate. The bounce rate is the data collected that shows what percentage of people left the page before viewing other pages. The goal is to entice visitors to want to stay and look around. We don't want people to leave early or just view a single page. We want to decrease our bounce rate and have our customers search through our website. Word of mouth is a great tool for marketing. We want to connect with customers on a more personal level and give you more insight into what they want. So word of mouth people are giving direct recommendations, they have personal interactions with you, they leave reviews, and they complete surveys that are put out by our company. So the more information we have from an actual person, the better marketing tools we can use moving forward. In summary, we are focused on data gathering, using social media as a tool. We're very customer focused. We want to create new recipes, and we want everybody to be in the know. We want people to know when we are upgrading things in our company. We want to know when we're coming out with new ideas, new recipes we certainly want to promote, and using social media as a tool. We all use social media just as a mindless escape sometimes, but to actually use it to our advantage and get more customers, I think that is just an incredible thing that we can do. Data gathering, the fact that whenever you are looking at something specific as far as your customers go, you're able to get that direct information immediately and not have to go to 6 different pages to find what you need. Knowing that one advertisement is linked to the website is amazing results in what we can get as far as our data gathering goes. And these are the resources I used for this presentation, so you can certainly look back at any of these. But I am very excited for Agape Coffee Company and their new release of cold brew. I think it will be very well received, and I think that we will get a different customer base than just the customer base who are interested in our normal, amazing, regular coffee drip. We want to broaden our horizons for our customer base. The more people we can relate to the more customers we can bring in, which is just going to put Agape Coffee Company on the radar a lot more than they already are. We have a lot of competition, and I think that we certainly need to lay all our cards out on the table and do everything we can to be the best of the best. And when our competition is big names like Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts, things like that, we really need to just lay it all out there and see what happens. The risk definitely may be greater than the reward, but you never know unless you try. And I honestly think Agape Coffee Company has the bones to do incredible things. And an easy way to get there would be through our cold brew coffee and our amazing website. And of course, we put it out there. We'll have to change things. We'll have to increase the ingredients, change up the flavors. And with the website, we'll probably have to tweak it a lot until it's just right. But I believe our marketing team has done an amazing job in creating a very user-friendly website, and I think that we are set up for a lot of success. So thank you for listening to me today, and I hope you all have very happy holidays. And on your way out from this meeting, stop by our Agape Coffee Shop and have a nice cold brew coffee, and you will not regret it. Have a great day.